guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 awesome beauty tools that you must pick up from Dollar Tree. These are like my top favorites right now. There are so many more. I will definitely make more favorites videos like this, but I wanted to share these amazing tools with you guys so you can go out and grab them. You guys know how much I love the Dollar Tree. I have a whole Instagram devoted to all my Dollar Tree finds, so go follow me there. I will link it down below. It is at Dollar Tree Dolly, D-O-L-L-I-E. I share all the latest stuff on there, new finds, videos, reels. It is so much fun, so definitely check that out. So if you guys want to find out what are my top 5 recommended beauty tools to pick up right now at the Dollar Tree, just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put out tons of content like this: Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, affordable beauty, drugstore. So you're definitely going to want to subscribe and hit that little bell. And without further ado, let's get on into it. No particular order. I'm just kind of pulling from what I have here in front of me. So the first tool is a newer one that Dollar Tree just recently put out. It is their Sassy and Chic Lip Exfoliator Scrub Brush. When I found this, I was so excited. So this is their Sassy and Chic line, which is like the Dollar Tree house brand, and basically that's their own tools that they make themselves, that they come up with. It's not made by another brand like Wet n Wild. It's their own branded product. So they black handle. They also have a white handle if you can find that one too, and it comes with 2 sides. So the first side has larger bumps on it for exfoliating your lips, and then the second side has smaller little silicone soft bristles. They kind of remind me of like something you would use to clean your makeup brushes. It's actually a dupe for a more pricier one that Sephora makes, so I thought that was really cool. You guys know how much I love dupes, and I like actually using both sides of this. I am huge into exfoliating my lips. They get super dry and flaky, especially like after you do your makeup, you get foundation all over your lips. I really like using this along with a lip scrub. You can also pick up lip scrubs at Dollar Tree. They have a Wet n Wild Brown Sugar one. They have a couple from LA Colors. They have one by Remy Rose that you can use along with this. They also have one by Global Beauty Care that I did a video about, but that one I just didn't love the fragrance, and when you're putting a lip scrub on your mouth, you end up like eating it because it's so close to your mouth. So what I actually ended up doing was making my own Dollar Tree lip scrub. I do have a video coming up on this soon, so make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok because I will post everything that I use. It was so much fun to make your own lip scrub, and it tastes really good. Put this on first, and then I use this to kind of work that into my lips, and your lips look so fresh and baby soft and smooth after you do this. So this plus this are amazing if you guys want to have super smooth lips, and it just makes your lips look plumper and juicier and just ready to put on your lip liner, your lipstick, your lip gloss. So these are like my new favorite for having baby soft lips. Number 2 has to be this e.l.f. Brow Wax Pencil. You guys, this is a complete gem at the Dollar Tree. You have to pick this up, especially if you are into the whole like fluffy brow trend, the soap brows. This is going to give you that look. I love this. I've been using this a ton. Mine is super dirty and has my eyebrow hairs all over it because I have crazy brows. So this is literally like it's like they took soap and put it in a pencil form that you can twist and roll up, which I love. So if you don't want to have like a hunk of soap lying around, this is so compact, so much easier to take with you if you're going somewhere on the road. This is amazing because it really does work to keep your brows in place. So not only can you hold your brows in place, you're also getting that really pretty like fluffed up look to your brows. Or if you don't want to do that, you could just use this to hold your brows in place, especially if you have crazy brows like me. My hairs are always all over the place, so I always need to set them. So this is a great way to set your brows. You get a decent amount of product in here. You get 0.04 ounces. I just love this. I was so impressed the moment I tried this out. I think I tried it on camera in one of my Dollar Tree tutorials. I do a lot of tutorials on here using Dollar Tree products. Definitely pick this up, you guys. It is really great. I also love that it's not messy, like how some of the clear brow gels can be a little messy, a little goopy and stringy. This is just so easy to use. I'll be repurchasing this when I run out. It is that good. Number 3 are the new Sassy and Chic eyebrow razors, facial razors, dermaplaners, whatever you want to call them. They're all the above names. So you get 3 in the pack. This is my 2 that I'm using right now. This is what a fresh pack looks like if you guys just want to look for it on the shelves. First of all, the colors are so cute and pastel, but what I love about this dermaplaning face razor is it gets rid of all of that hair on your face, any peach fuzz you have. It exfoliates the skin. I like to do this at nighttime because it helps to have my skincare products absorb better into my skin. And it also preps your skin so much better for foundation. I feel like after I dermaplane and then when I apply my moisturizer and my foundation goes on so smooth because there's no hair there getting in the way. And I just like the way my face looks when it is super smooth. And I'll tell you guys, these are so good. I am really, really impressed with these. I've tried so many of these eyebrow razors. I've tried Tinkle, I've tried ones from TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and these are awesome. The thing too is that since you get 3 in a pack, if say one of them gets dull, you could just go grab another one from the pack, or if you need to get a new pack, they're only $1. So to me, I really don't care if they get dull quicker because they're so cheap, so it's really not that big of a deal. These are amazing because the surface area of the razor is so nice and long, so you're getting more hair off. I've had some of those dermaplaning razors where it's like literally half the size of this, and first of all, those are kind of painful and can end up cutting you. This one is so easy to use. I have never had any sort of cuts or issues with these, and I've been using these for a couple of months now. I think these came out around December, and the razor is just so user friendly and it really gets off all of that hair. You can see it actually working, but honestly, the way that these are so long, this is like my preferred style of razor. So when I saw these, I was literally like jumping up and down at Dollar Tree because I was so happy that they came out with these and not like those little short ones that don't work and only get like one little strip of hair. These cover so much area, which is way more efficient when you're shaving your face and your like little mustache over here, which I always have to keep up with that because this is always out to play, you guys, and I do not need that. I'm always taking pictures and videos, close-ups, so these are essential in my beauty routine, and I am just thrilled that Dollar Tree is now carrying this 3-pack, and honestly, they work amazing. Check them out. I like them even better than the Tinkle ones. Number 4 Dollar Tree beauty tool must-have have got to be brushes. If you guys are looking for affordable makeup brushes, look no further than Dollar Tree. I have some here that I pulled out to share with you guys. I love the Sassy and Chic brushes. You guys do not sleep on those. I feel like no one knows or talks about how good they are. They are so good. So I really like the way that they have like the printed handles. I have 3 of them here because they're so easy to spot. If I'm like looking for a specific brush in my makeup collection, I'm like, oh, I know that's the Sassy and Chic one because it has the leopard print. So this is the angled one, and this is really nice for like getting in for your contour, or you can use this for placing your blush up high on your cheekbone, which has been really popular lately. It's honestly very soft, you guys. Like, you would think, oh, it's gonna be so scratchy. No, it is super, super soft. Then I have this guy right here. This is actually a little synthetic flat shader brush, perfect for doing a cut crease, getting that concealer on there, or packing on glitter shadows, shimmery shadows. I love spraying this with a setting spray and then packing on shadow. It's amazing for that. And then we have this little guy right here. This brush is magical, you guys. So this is a long, small synthetic brush, and what I love using this for is highlighting my nose highlight. I do a little boop right there in the center of my nose, and this works like a charm. I honestly like cannot live without this brush. It works so, so well. Also amazing for highlighting the inner corner or like the first fourth of the eye if you're doing like a little pop of color in there. So many uses. I'm obsessed with these. So honorable mention for these Sassy and Chic brushes. They're so good. And this one, I feel like people are probably like, what do I do with this thing? It's so skinny. This is one of their little like paddle brushes, but it's very skinny and tiny. It's like a dupe for the Artiste brushes. Remember when those were super popular? They actually market this as an eyeshadow brush. I don't know who's doing eyeshadow with this thing. I certainly do not know. You can do like a little cut crease action if you want to like put one little line pop of color right in there. It might be good for that. But what I use this for is to contour my nose. It is perfect for that. If you guys want to see a tutorial on that, I can definitely do it. but this is like the best little nose contour brush. We also have the Wet n Wild brushes to go along with that. I use these daily. They're amazing, and you can pick these up at Dollar Tree. So this one is the flat concealer brush. I love this if I'm blending out my concealer underneath my eye. You can use this to like blend out some contour. You can totally use this for eyeshadow if you're doing like a cut crease or anything like that. This is amazing. I have multiple ones of these. And then you already know I'm obsessed with the Wet n Wild crease brush. These are so good, and they do each have like a different shape. This one's a little skinnier, this one's a little fluffier. Either one is good. I can use both of these in my eyeshadow routines. The fluffy one is nice if you want to get that like blown out, smokier kind of crease, whereas the smaller one is nice for like concentrate crease work. So I have like 5 of these, and I will continue to buy these because they are so soft. They're cruelty free, and they're just adorable, and they work amazing. Last but certainly not least has to be my Sassy and Chic Dollar Tree eyelash curler. You guys, this thing is so good. I love it so much. It comes in a few different colors. I of course got the pink because I'm a girly girl. Make sure you clean it after each use with like a little paper towel. You can put some water, even some alcohol if you want to get adventurous and really clean it. This works so well. I had to get used to it because my curler that I used to use before this one had loops around the finger, so I was like, I felt kind of out of control at first because there's no loops. You're literally just pressing on this. But I have a $20 lash curler from Tweezerman, and I've been using this more than that one. How crazy is that? It just works so well. Like, it shocks me that this is $1 and it works so well. You guys have to try this eyelash curler out. Even if you are afraid to curl your lashes, just give this one a try. Do a few practice runs. It really makes a huge difference in the appearance of your makeup, the way your mascara looks. It really opens up your eyes. I cannot do my makeup without curling my eyelashes. It's just like something that I have to do now, and I just love seeing the effect and how this really works so well to curl your lashes, and it really does hold a curl super nicely. So honestly, you cannot beat this. It is amazing and performs better than like higher end eyelash curlers. One of these up, I am definitely going to be picking up another one when I feel like the pad of this has kind of like seen its day. The handles are also really comfortable too. Once I got used to not having the loops, it does have a little cushion handles here, so you feel good when you're pressing up and down. And don't be afraid to like get in there. I've never pinched myself with this, you guys, so don't be scared. I used to like back in the day be so afraid that I would pinch my eyes with the curler, but this one's really safe. So that is it for my top 5 beauty tools that are only $1, and you definitely should pick these up on your next trip to Dollar Tree. They are all approved by me. They're amazing, and I love these. Honestly, the quality is so good. And if you guys enjoy seeing like these Dollar Tree favorites videos, let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below if you have a favorite Dollar Tree tool. It could be even one of the ones that I mentioned, or maybe you have another one. Let us know in the comments. I love chatting with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!